Adjectives and prepositions practice. I'm sure they must be our products as they're used all over the world. Familiar with. If you pay within 7 days you will be a discount. Eligible for. I will be an interview at any time. Available for. The other salespeople were all her success, and so they were pleased when she left. Envious of expectations, our sales figures went down last month. Contrary to. Our new selection of toys has proved very children who have watched the television show. Popular with. Any decisions made must be the company's overall marketing strategy. Consistent with. The maintenance engineer is checking every machine at least once a week. Responsible for. I'm not any regulations that should prevent us from exporting to those countries. Aware of. We need somebody who is understanding German. Capable of. Follow for more interesting content like this.